friends, I'm back. Happy New Year. So today we are gonna make Gulab Jamun for the New Year 2025. Let's see the ingredients. Instant mix, sugar, milk, cardamom, saffron. For 175 grams of instant Gulab Jamun mix, I took 800 grams of sugar and 1 cup of milk. Let's make the dough by adding little by little milk. So now it's soft and ready to make balls. Time to make sugar syrup. Add equal amount of water. Stir until it dissolves completely. Sugar is dissolved, add some cardamom powder and few strands of saffron. Put it on medium flame for 5 minutes. Now the sugar syrup is ready, keep it aside. Now take a kadai and pour oil. Boil oil in medium flame. Oil is ready. Now I'll put the jamun balls in it. You have to fry this on medium flame. Fry them until they're brownish color like this. Now you have to put them in the sugar syrup. Let's soak it for a few hours. Gulab Jamun is ready to eat. Let's taste it. It's so soft and yummy. If you like the video, please share, subscribe and like. Thank you. And Happy New Year once again.